stupid, some are lonely. The woolly gladiators are like little knitted terminators, but be gentle, they are hand wash only. Different sizes, different shapes, they like getting into scrapes. They've been beaten up and torn apart and blown up. The stuffing's going to fly, someone's going to get it in the eye, but it's okay cause we can get them sewn up. Welcome everybody to the Stitch Up Showdown. Welcome everybody to the Stitch Up Showdown. Welcome to the Stitch Up Showdown. Welcome everybody to the Stitch Up Showdown. Hey Nitwads, I run the Stitch Up Showdown. Watch these alternative nights battling it out for glory with competitions that will blow your socks off. But which warrior will win on the Zoo Stitch Up Showdown? It's so good it hurts.